feeling overwhelmed by stress or caught in the chaos of daily life? Imagine being calm, grounded, and at peace no matter what comes your way. In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful Stoic lessons for inner peace, timeless wisdom that can help you let go of negativity and find serenity in any situation. Let's dive in. Why Stoicism for inner peace? Stoicism is an ancient philosophy, but its lessons are more relevant than ever. It teaches us how to stay calm, focused, and resilient even in the face of life's challenges. These 10 Stoic lessons will show you how to cultivate inner peace and live with a deeper sense of purpose. Lesson 1. Accept what you can't control. The foundation of Stoic philosophy is simple. Control what you can and accept what you can't. Worrying about things beyond your control, like other people's actions or random events, only robs you of peace. Let go of the uncontrollable and focus on what you can change, your thoughts and actions. Lesson 2. View challenges as opportunities. Life will throw obstacles your way, but instead of seeing them as problems, view them as opportunities for growth. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Every difficulty is a chance to build strength and wisdom. Lesson 3. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to find peace. As Seneca said, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for, no matter how small. Lesson 4. Live in the present moment. Don't dwell on the past or worry about the future. Both are beyond your control. Focus on the present moment. By being fully engaged in the here and now, you'll find clarity and peace in everything you do. Lesson 5. Embrace simplicity. The Stoics believed that a simple life is a peaceful life. Stop chasing after material possessions or unnecessary distractions. Epictetus said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." Simplify your life to find true contentment. Lesson 6. Reflect on mortality. Far from being morbid, the Stoics saw reflecting on mortality as a way to prioritize what matters. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." This practice will help you cherish every moment and live fully. Lesson 7. Cultivate self-discipline. Inner peace comes from being in control of yourself. Build habits that align with your values and don't give in to distractions or impulses. Discipline might feel difficult at first, but it creates a deep sense of accomplishment and calm. Lesson 8. Let go of ego. Ego is the enemy of peace. It makes us defensive, reactive, and anxious about how others perceive us. The Stoics teach us to focus on what truly matters, our character and actions, rather than external validation. Lesson 9. Serve others. Helping others brings perspective and fulfillment. The Stoics believed in contributing to the greater good. When you shift your focus from me to we, you'll find a sense of purpose and connection that leads to inner peace. Lesson 10. End each day with reflection. Before bed, reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What can I improve tomorrow? This practice helps you stay aligned with your values and fosters continual growth. It's a simple yet powerful way to end your day with peace. Take action for inner peace. Inner peace isn't something that just happens. It's a choice you make every day. These 10 Stoic lessons are tools you can use to create a calmer, more fulfilling life. Start with one lesson today and see the difference it makes. Which one will you begin with? Let me know in the comments below.